Okay, so continue. Wearing two identical garments. As we said, there's no problem because we're going to see what he said, but usually for people there's no problem, right? Wear two pair of I don't know, socks, right? Two pair of not on Shabbos, but if it's very cold, a person would wear two pair of gloves, for example, or two pairs of undershorts because it's cold. No problem. It is permitted to wear two identical articles of clothing, one on top of the other, provided that people sometimes wear the two garments. For example, it's common to wear two sweaters. Oh, okay, yeah, two sweaters when it's very cold, two sweaters, or two pair of socks in very cold weather. Right. Therefore, it is permitted to wear two of these garments even in a warmer weather. And even for the purpose merely transporting one of them to a different location, right? So meaning right to the different location. Okay. However, people never wear two belts over one another, or one hat on top of the other. So that's okay. So two garments. Let's go back a little. When it's cold, two sweaters, no problem, right? But what would be the problem? Something that the people don't do, like two belts. Usually, one belt is enough to hold up the trousers. That's why we're going to see there's a problem with the second belt, and I know they sold Judaica store this elastic, right? Elastic like with a carabines, whatever they call it, on the ends, in order to hold key on Shabbos. That's not proper because you don't need that belt. So 1 second. So, but two belts people don't wear, and people don't wear two hats. I have a friend, so he has I think I told about him. So he has many different like health issues. So this tzaddik would wear. So he's so thin, he's so fragile, like that he's always cold because of his health condition. So he would wear two hats. Right, I mean, like normal hat, and under that, like ski hat, for sure. Right. I mean, but most of the people, again, it depends what hat, like dress hats, like that you would use for prayer. Right. No, nobody's going to use, but other hats, yes, people sometimes wear. Like a ski hat, whenever it's one is thinner and one is thicker, and it's very cold outside. So that's the issue. So again, however, people never wear one belt over the other, or one on top of the other. Okay. Thus, the extra belt or hat cannot be considered part of the one's clothing, and it is forbidden to go outside while wearing one. Right. So, but the hat, like some people call it Shabbos hat. Some people wear these hats on the Shabbos. Some people don't wear these hats. Right? Some people wear these hats all the time, like a bigger hat. So the problem would be like a yarmulke. Why do you need yarmulke if you have? But we always say there is no problem. Some people pray in these hats, but some people remove this hat and put talis on top of the hat. So for this you need yarmulke, of course. Okay, so next question. Is it permissible to wear more than one tichel simultaneously? Okay. Additionally, are the internal volumizer permitted on Shabbos? Are they allowed during the week? So going back, okay, from the beginning, it is permitted more than tichel simultaneous. I mean, if it's for modesty reasons or because it's a warmer, I mean, there is no problem whatsoever. So some women what they do, they wrap one and then they wrap another one on top. So for beauty reason, right? Can one suffice? They cover, yes, but they like to be like a double color. So there is no problem. So people wear it too. But tichel is usually it's a pre-sewn. I mean, do the people wear too? I mean, if there is a need, yes, they can wear too. There is no problem. Like for them, it's cold outside. Okay. Additional internal volumizer permit on Shabbat. Yeah, that's volumizer. There is no problem. Right. So it's like it's a serve the garment basically. Can you wear without it? Yes, but there is no problem whatsoever. Okay. Are they allowed during the week? Absolutely. All right. So just so you know, the Muslims also wear them, so you can buy like from them. I mean, if you buy on the website, or from Jewish, I mean, whatever you want. Just saying. Okay.